So today I'll be showing you how to set up the Xiaomi Wi-Fi range extender. This particular one is the N300, but these instructions will work on literally any Wi-Fi range extender from Xiaomi. So let's quickly unbox this, get some paperwork, more paperwork, and then the range extender itself. I do not expect anything else in the box. Yeah, there you go. So that's it. It's only the Wi-Fi range extender. You connect it directly to a power outlet, and that's it. So no charging cables, no power bricks, no SIM cards, nothing. And this is what it looks like. It has two little antennas, and then this is where it goes into the socket and a little LED light here. So first things first, you want to plug it into a power outlet, and you want to choose a power outlet that's somewhere in the middle of your Wi-Fi router, your main Wi-Fi router, and the place where you want to cover with Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in just like that, and you can see it has power because that little orange LED comes on. It's gonna start with orange. The next thing you want to do is launch the Xiaomi Home app. And if you don't have the Xiaomi Home app, it looks like this. You want to go to your respective app store and get it downloaded, installed, and sign in with your Xiaomi account. Okay. If you don't have a Xiaomi account, you might have to create one. So you just come to profile in the bottom right corner and then sign in or create your own account. Now, since I already have an account, what you need to do now, once you plug this in, you just tap on the plus symbol in the top right corner and select add device. Now, you want to make sure your phone is as close as possible to the Wi-Fi extender. So I'm just going to try and put it as close as possible, as you can see, so that it detects. Now, if for some reason your phone is not able to detect this Wi-Fi range extender, you can search for it manually. So just go to the search function and then type Wi-Fi range. And as you're typing, you will see a shortlist and pick your specific Wi-Fi range extender model. Now mine is the N300, yours could be something different. So I'm gonna pick mine, and then it's gonna prompt me to device reset. So basically, if you've not reset your device, it's actually advisable to just take a SIM ejector tool, put it in this little hole at the bottom of that particular range extender, press and hold for about 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, and that's going to hard reset. And then now you can tap on device reset already, and then connect to your Wi-Fi network. It's going to pick out your Wi-Fi network name and password. So select that, connect, and then it says connect the device, connect to the device's Wi-Fi. So basically, this little device creates a little Wi-Fi network, and so you want to go here, and then here you can go to settings, go back. If you're using an iPhone, it's going to take you to settings where you need to connect to this device's Wi-Fi network. So here it is. I'm going to select it. It's going to create a little unsecured network, so you don't need a password. It just connects. Now once it connects, you want to go back to the Xiaomi app, and now it's going to start connecting. So it says bring the phone closer to the device. It's actually as close as it can get. So I'll just wait for this process. Once it's done, it's gonna give you the page where you can now start customize it. So choose which room you want to set it at. Now I'm gonna put mine in the living room, or you can go ahead and create a new room. Doesn't really matter. Just tap on next. And then now you can change the name of this Wi-Fi range extender. Now this comes in handy in case you have multiple of these range extenders. So you can actually give them different names so you can know on the app which one you're actually dealing with if you need to, but you don't have to. So if you don't need to do that, you can tap on next. Now this is your Wi-Fi range extender page. You have to, of course, read and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, and then tap on agree. Now there are two things here. Now you can select Wi-Fi roaming, which basically means your extender will have the same SSID and password as your main router's Wi-Fi network. So that means you don't need to have a different name and password when you're connecting between the main router and the Wi-Fi range extender. So if you want that, you can turn this on. Now, if you want to have a separate username and password for this Wi-Fi range extender to connect to this one, you can leave this as is. So for me, I want it to be the same Wi-Fi network name and password, so you don't have to keep changing, and I'll just turn that on. Now once you turn that on, it means you can move from room to room in your house and you don't need to switch Wi-Fi networks. Okay, and then here you'll be able to see the devices that are connected to this particular Wi-Fi range extender. Now currently I'm obviously not connected because my router is just somewhere up here, but if it connects to this Wi-Fi range extender, it will show it here. So that is basically how to set it up. It's ready to go. You can tell it's ready because it now has a constant blue light. Now you can take this from this and plug it into any socket, and it's just gonna work. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.